Okay. Hey guys, and this is part 12. And we're gonna make more. We're gonna make more abilities. Okay, you know in the last part how I said pick random 1 to 3 to 1 to 2, yeah. It was pretty confusing. Just take up to 1 to 3 and just go in 1 to 3 and then delete that anyway. Let's not focus on all of that. Uh-uh. 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 Wait. Anyway, so basically, what next up could be like extra HP because we are making a minute and recording please. HP, name it HP. And HP, right, yeah, HP can be there, and set HP. It's gonna be really simple. Set HP to 100, 100, 100, and this still short. Just, oh my god, what the hell? And yeah, so, someone else is being a bit stiff, but whatever. Set to 100 and do set to 100 and do 1 up to let me do you know that script where if touching zombie the game is over, yeah, remove that and put it in that. Then just gonna scroll up again. Use your fingers if you don't have a scroll bar. Or just use your mouse. Like that. That. And do but do less than. Because less than 5. I mean, not less than 5, less than 10. I mean, sorry, less than 5. Cheers. I'm touching zombie. The broadcast, the game is over. So now we have to scroll back down. Oh, like this. Oh, what the hell? Like this. Be really annoying to recode that again. And just put it in. And this upgrade is gonna be for what the hell? So delete all this one and just don't do that. So set all you need to do. Take that away and then just equal that. A blank thing. And I'm not very good at making hearts, but please don't judge me. Okay, anyway, just make this, lower the outline, and finish it. You should go simple, that's fine, just do this. Yeah, I know, I'm so bad at hearts. I mean, that's actually a pretty solid heart. Okay, I'll just do that. Do that. Make the bottom a little bit spiky, my brother said. And this is going to be extra hell. Extra hell. Well, we have some messages for it because we just want to. Because if it's just that and it doesn't say anything, they'll be confused. And they'll buy it and be like, what does this do? Extra help. It says extra help, which might mean that help to to uh to HP plus 50. And yeah, so it's not because when you find in the challenge, well, no, right? They have to be equal to 75. So just 75. Actually, don't do it to because they cannot pay. So that HP, whatever it is, multiplied by 2.5 HP, change that, multiplied by that. Got it? And then duplicate this because that's in there, so we'll do that. And it'll be, oh, it's a problem here. 75 and okay. Yeah, there's nothing wrong. Anyway, let's do this one. No, 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 will they? I got second. 7:43. And ow, damn. Not in tank. What the hell? So just do that, but it's not gonna really matter because we're gonna do 0.2 seconds. Wait. And we need this. Wait. Don't do that. Sure. I want it to be about that. So, okay. That. Okay. You know this? You don't want. Who shows this? Guys, can you show? This. Can you show now? Yeah. Okay. And mm, wait. Oh yeah. Sorry, but we need to take the cover off. I'll just do this touching. Okay, so you can stop if then touching is on me, do that. And then that's what you want to do. And five, six, eight, no, no, the hell's going on? Okay, what the hell? Okay. Okay. Sure this. Sure. Sure that. With to be hit. Okay. Put that in all four seven. Wait, what? Let me. If I. Yeah, because. Right, that's. Right. Okay, what the hell's going on? No. No, yes. No. It's hide. That's right, yep. And that is. Just call this. Shelf. Shelf. What shelf? I mean. Read. Oh my god. Shelf. What the hell? What the hell? Oh my god. Okay, whatever. Just call it shelf. But this is the end of this tutorial. We added a extra, about players. So bye, bye. Have a good day.